Good morning, children. Today we are starting lesson 6 from your new James English Reader book of class 8, and the name of the lesson is After 20 Years. Children, After 20 Years is a short, interesting story written by O. Henry, whose real name was William Sidney Potter. The story is about two best friends, Jimmy Wells and Bob, who decides to go down different paths and make an agreement to meet at the same place after 20 years. So Bob leaves New York to go try his luck in the West, and Jimmy decides to stay here in the New York, and he becomes a policeman. So now I will explain you the summary of the story. The story opens with the policeman walking around the deserted street of New York in the evening. He was doing his duty and checking the locks of every shop and business that he passed by. So while taking around, he finds a man standing in the doorway of a hardware store. The man has an unlit cigar in his hand. So, on enquiring, the man tells to a policeman that he is waiting for an old friend who he had promised to meet at the same place 20 years ago before going to West. He tells the policeman that he is waiting for Jimmy Wells, his old friend, almost like a brother, with whom I had spent the golden years of my childhood. So, while talking to the policeman, the man lights his cigar, and in that brief illumination, the policeman notices that the man has a pale face, a scar near his right eyebrow, and sharp eyes. The glint of a diamond on the man's scarf tells a lot about his riches. And when he pulls out his diamond studded watch to check the time, the policeman comments that he must have done really well in the West. Means you are working very hard and earning good in the West. So the man boasts that he is. And I also wishes that my friend, a slow and steady worker. He notes his friend as a slow and steady worker has done at least half of what I have achieved, and says to the policeman that I am sure that my friend is alive and he will definitely meet me as promised, no matter what, for his friend is the most faithful person in the world. So after conversation, the policeman goes on his way, and the rain starts to fall, and the man keeps waiting to his friend. So after a few minutes, another man arrives and introduces himself as Jimmy. Bob is happy to find his friend, and both men share pleasantries to each other. Bob notices that Jimmy has changed, in fact, was taller than he remembered. Jimmy says that you grew a bit after 20 years. Then Jimmy insists that since the old restaurant where we had have our last meals together 20 years ago is not there anymore. So let's go to some other place and talk. Then as they passes the street light, Bob looks at his friend's face and says, though 20 years can change man in many ways, it rarely changes the shape of a man's nose. He asks that if he is Jimmy, really you are Jimmy? So the other man replied that he is not Jimmy and you has been under arrest for the past 10 minutes. He tells him to come with him quietly and hands him a letter which says, Bob, I was at the place on time. I saw the face of the man wanted by Chicago Police Headquarters. Policeman. I did not want to arrest you myself, so I went and got another policeman and sent him to do the job, Jimmy. So, children, the conclusion is that Jimmy Wells performed his duty faithfully. His duty is more important than his friendship. So, children, I hope that you all have understood the story. The story is about two best friends named Jimmy and Bob, and they chooses their different job. So the one becomes the policeman. Who becomes the policeman? Jimmy becomes the policeman and Bob becomes the criminal. So children, you have to read the lesson. Thank you.